funny.
She keeps saying I'm so funny.
She's so
But
funny.
I don't understand where I'm funny. And let me tell y'all, before we start, she hurt my feelings when she first got in here.
How?
We were talking about our lives, you know, because I'm trying to be friendly. And I told her, I was like, you know, so. She was like, you're gay.
Oh, what? See, I don't want to just like put it out there. Like, I don't know.
And then
that's why I'm bad at it.
I told her to go to my bio. I was like, doesn't that scream gay to you? It's one little flag about this.
It was so small, first of all.
I thought that was enough, but apparently by the time y'all see this, I'm gonna update the bio with like a bunch of rainbows and other stuff because evidently I'm not giving.
Do all that.
I'm trying to give that classy lesbian. That's what I'm trying to give. But y'all, okay, so she has a YouTube channel.
I do.
So what's your YouTube?
Jasmine Styles. So JAZMENSTYLES.
Okay, honey.
Let
So
them know.
y'all gotta go ahead and follow her. She's gonna be posting. Are you gonna be active? My people want some
I'm gonna be active. I've been active for a minute now.
Yes, she has. She been holding it down. So
I've been on it. I've been hitting you up.
I'm a really bad texter, and I told her this, and she refused to call me.
She told me this probably like a few days ago. She didn't tell me this when we exchanged numbers.
Right.
You gotta give me like you gotta break it down to me when we first meet.
That is true, but I'm glad she was consistent because I'm really a bad communicator. Like, but see, we on the phone today. Everything worked out, and look where we at.
Yeah, we here.
So today we're gonna do like a celebrity smasher pass, and we're also gonna do a video on her channel, so you definitely want to check that out. So we both did a list of names, and we're gonna say them, and then we're gonna see if we would smash or pass. Y'all know my type though, so you might do whatever with me because you know what I mean. I'm just saying. No. I picked some good people.
A lot of like people that I wouldn't like.
I wouldn't. I try to be very honest. Okay, I got mine. So the first one is Kim K.
I'm gonna pass on that.
I'm gonna pass on her too because I don't want her. Because I feel like her body doesn't measure up with her thing, and on top of that, I'm sorry.
I'm just over, like, I've never really been into Kim K like that, like everybody else has been. So
yeah. I've been into the style, but I don't really like her as in somebody I would find attractive. Just being honest, I think she's cute and pretty. Don't get me wrong, but she's not somebody I'll be like, girl, let me take you over here. Like, that's not what I get from her. So
I think she just got too much body for me.
Too much body.
Okay, first of all, I'm 5'2".
You know what's somebody with some body?
All that. No, I like a woman with body.
Okay.
But that's a lot. And a lot of, that's a lot.
Okay.
That's a lot. You don't think that's a lot?
I mean her proportions to me,
like,
the proportions is not right. But
exactly. So up at the top, she got a little, and then down here she got a.
Yeah, I guess she got a lot of body. Hey, if you got body, come over here to me. I just don't want her. So,
Cardi B.
Cardi
B.
I'm smashing the hell, Cardi, honey. You gonna smash her?
I'm gonna smash her.
I think she looks so good, and I think her attitude just makes me want her even more.
Her attitude, bro, just makes me want to.
Honey,
she can have her way with me.
Hello, but she got a lot of body.
Okay, but it's like proportion.
That is true.
It looks better. I don't know.
That is hard. Beyonce.
Talking about.
For real?
Smash.
I would pass Beyonce.
Why would you pass Beyonce?
She's like a mom figure. She reminds me of like a mom. You don't get that vibe?
Okay, so well now, but because she is a mom.
Like she's so sweet. I don't really like, even when she's being sexy, it doesn't make me like, oh, I'm ready to jump on it. Like, she gives me the vibe of, oh, that's a bad bitch, but like she doesn't make me feel like
I don't know, I kind of like that because I like a woman. She's a woman.
She is a woman,
but
I
like that.
She reminds me of a wholesome.
I would smash that for sure.
Honey, we have to agree to disagree because I will not be smashing no Beyonce. But hey, if Beyonce said she wanted me, I might try to.
Beyonce like that.
I wasn't, but if she come at me, in my DM or something, I'll be like, hey, Beyonce. But right as of now, no, she's like a mom figure.
Okay, young ma. know what she gonna say. Oh, okay.
You better stop playing with me.
I'm about to pass. But I will say, okay, I'm just not attracted to men.
I understand. That's fine. But with me, look, I heard she was gonna be in LA this. I heard she was gonna be in LA this month.
I'm about to pull my dread out.
I'm sorry. I slide in her DM every day.
You do?
Yeah.
What you be saying?
Hey, what's up? Or how was your day?
She didn't reply?
Girl, no. But it's okay because I'm gonna get her.
That is okay. That's okay.
You know.
Hey, shouts out to her though. She lost a lot of weight. She looks different.
She looks good.
She looks good.
And I take her chunky too.
Alright.
I don't care.
You better get it.
Joseline Hernandez.
Okay, so
I see you with my pussycat. I see you with my pussycat. See you with my pussycat. Oh my God. No.
At first, I was like, the way she spoke and stuff, I couldn't deal with it.
She's a nut. She's crazy.
I don't have to talk to her.
Okay, well, I'm thinking about me and this person damn near being in a relationship, and she's a nut.
That's what you're thinking about right now?
I mean, kind of, but I think that she's a nut. She probably cut my weed.
We ain't.
Well, if we just smashing, I would, but as far as relation-wise, that bitch is crazy.
No, she's super crazy.
Could you imagine two crazy people?
Okay, so you're crazy.
Hell yeah! Honey, ask my credentials.
Okay, I get it then.
Ask my potential.
Wait, son.
Zoe Kravitz. That who you picked? That's why I put on my damn list. You took two people on my list. Pick her. That was good. That bitch.
Kravitz.
Honey, I'm fooling with her and her mama.
That's my baby. That's my baby. That's somebody I'd be in a relationship with. Get it together. That's somebody I would definitely be in a relationship with.
I think she's so cute. And her mom, they're just like, she's like a mini me of her mom, but a millennial version. I think she's so cute.
Bomb.
I would hell.
Smash her, marry her, I would take care of her.
Well, goddamn. Honey.
All of that.
Stacey Dash.
Let me see a picture.
You don't know Stacey Dash?
Real quick.
Oh,
I
knew you wasn't gonna know who she was, to be honest.
Nah.
I
don't know why
you're fucking up. But no, I would pass her because I don't like the way she's been acting in the media.
Yeah,
she better get herself together.
She's super weird for that.
As fuck.
Man.
She gotta go. Bye, Stacey.
Stacey gone somewhere.
You are the weakest link.
My turn.
Yeah.
Ellen DeGeneres.
I was, pass, and then I was smashed because Ellen is not that attractive to me. But the fact that she got it going on, I'm gonna be honest. I like a little drop of black in you somewhere. Like I just love black people.
She's super dope.
She's cool, but I just love me.
See her dance?
A black woman.
She can dance.
She cannot dance.
Yeah, she can.
No.
She can dance for. Well, I don't want to say that, but she can dance.
But no, her and her wife is so cute. I think they're like really a cute couple. You never looked at somebody like admire them from afar, but you're not like trying to ruin the relationship to get in it. That's what I feel with them. Ooh, Gabrielle Union.
I was gonna put her, but I didn't.
When I tell you that bitch is sexy.
But I would smash her all day.
Honey, especially when she was in that movie with the red suit on and the ponytail on top of her head. Remember when she was in the office, was alone?
Ooh,
and
what is that movie?
And she had like an attitude.
Yeah.
I was like, yes, attitude.
Yeah.
Yes,
I like her when she got an attitude.
Oh my God. And being Mary Jane, I can relate to her.
Ooh, being Mary Jane.
That's my show.
Her sex scenes be off the chain.
As hell.
Like in any movie she's in.
Hello.
Jessica Alba.
Who the hell is Jessica Alba? Now it's your turn to Google.
You know what? You don't know who Jessica Alba is?
Who the hell is Jessica?
I had an ex-girlfriend that looked like her.
Alba.
I did not do that to her. I was so smashed that. Really?
I want somebody that's black. I think she's pretty. Don't get me wrong.
She is.
But dating
blonde.
wise, I need somebody I can relate to.
She's still thinking about dating people.
Oh yeah, smashing. I probably wouldn't smash her either because I would have to be the initiate. She seems like she wants to be like controlled.
She wants to be controlled.
Like I want to be controlled. She's not gonna control me.
Oh man.
No.
How you know?
I can tell. Oprah.
You know what?
What?
I was gonna put her in.
Honey, I'm the love child.
I was even gonna.
I'm the love child. Hell yeah! You see Oprah's money? I probably didn't have to fuck her.
See, you know what? I wish we were thinking about relationships. I wish you would have told me that. What were we thinking?
To be honest, I don't know. That's just the way I think of stuff. Like I think of sexually, just relationship time. It's just the way I am. Sorry.
All right then.
She said she can't go down on Oprah. Look. Let me stop. I'm a little O. Look, I'm a little O. Big O.
You better get
oh
it.
my
You
God.
better get it. Sierra.
Sierra?
Wait. First of all, let me see what you're gonna put up, cause your face right now.
Hell no! I don't like the way her body is. It's too muscular.
I would rub all over the muscles, lick all over the muscles. Sierra.
Sierra's not my type. No.
Fine and sexy and.
Oh my God.
I'd wife that too.
No. Oh my God. Okay. Nicki Minaj.
You swiped the hell out of it. Nicki Minaj? Nah.
What?
Nah.
Why? Why? What's wrong with her?
I just can't.
Are you serious?
Too much booty. Like,
for Nicki?
Too much. Like, it's like I feel the same way about her that I feel about Kim K. When it comes to smashing.
I don't even know what to say.
I wouldn't.
I can't relate. I just cannot relate.
Nah.
Dang.
You gotta understand, I'm a petite woman.
But this is the thing, I'm smaller too. Not small as her, but I'm smaller. But I love me something with some hips and butt. I think I can
do a hips and
to
butt,
be honest,
but like when it's overly done.
I feel like I'm on the verge of liking BBLs. Like, honestly.
Okay.
Because honestly, like, I feel like I love so much butt and so much boob. Like, I just love it. And I don't like really flat stomachs.
I like a cup, you know, I like when I could cup them and all that, but that is too much.
I feel like, I don't know. I just don't really like a little flat stomach. I mean, it's cute, but I personally want to touch somebody that's like, I don't want to feel your bones. You know what I mean?
I'll feel Sierra bones. So.
Okay. We're about to close this video right now. She's tripping with Sierra. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video with me and Jaz.
Yeah.
Definitely check out our video on her channel. We're not gonna tell you what it is though, so you gotta go over there.
You gotta go
subscribe and also, you know, spam her comments like y'all came from Tay, so we can know what's up and what's good and what's popping. So I'll see you guys in my next one. See ya.